This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. You can see I have a lovely beautiful box for you guys. This is from AH Alpine Home. This is one brand of tap or faucet. You can see here beautiful design. It's a new kinds of design, so I want to change some tap of my toilet. One of my toilet, I have 4 toilets in my house, so one of them I want to change, and I will show you why exactly. So here we go. You can see Alpine Home, beautiful pack. Price could be, this one could be $25 to $40 or euro, depend on the places where you are. Let's see here. Box is a tall one. Acero inoxidable, that means is a stainless steel. Grifo Monocomando, that means one way. Let me take this off from here. Let's see here. If necessary, you have some pipe, okay, and the quality, look, as this is not plastic, is stainless steel in this case, if I'm not wrong. So high quality pipe they give us. Okay, here the joint, let me take one of them out. One is for cold and one is for hot. Yeah, you see the nut here, plastic, premium quality, can't expect more than that. Here we go. And here the cover, take this off. Wow, what we have here, we see some rubber. Okay, so when you're putting any kinds of leakage of water, you can cover it. Here this part looks as aluminum, I feel. Here this part is plastic though, but inside is aluminum. Okay, lovely. Put here, and here is the tap or faucet. Lovely. Box goes one side. See how beautiful the branding AH at the top. You see how beautiful it is. It has a color matte finishing. Lovely. Okay, see how it is. See here, double screws here, stainless steel. Wow, lovely. Yeah, feel the noise. See how it is, beautiful. The color, very modern. If I put here, you can see how beautiful this one. It's a tall for my tall toilet. So here tall basin, it's long, and here you see the marking cold and hot water. This is logo is a little bit angled, so you have to fix this one. You see, you move as this, close down, small range, but with a lot of pressure of water in this case. Lovely. So I'm gonna show you how it looks in my toilet, guys, after assemble. Let's see, moment of truth. So, wow, voila. See how it's working, guys. Lovely. Our tap is ready. So this one is working, this side is working, the middle working as well. So this is unboxing and little bit review of this faucet. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.